my way. Hi mga beshi! Si Malaya na Sydney! It's my favorite time of the year! Yes! Pasko na Jud! Christmas carols, Christmas gift, Christmas bonus!
Asus! Hi, Malaya!
But everyone knows nga at every Christmas party, di gina nato malikayan ang mga kumash nga mga relatives nga hasta na lang gid ka inappropriate usahay, no? And it might just be you, tita. Here's 5 annoying relatives you'll see this Christmas. Number 1, SAMOK nga tita. Uy, day! Kumusta naman ka, day? Agoy na nanambog lagi ka, no? Nanakayuyab. Wala pa. Hala, day. Uy, pagminyo na, day. Uy, tagay na tawag mga apo po, day. Uy, mama, tagay na pag apo. Kung ano lang anang si tawagan ni atong gingon sa kong anak nga application. Uy, Tinder, di ay, Tinder. Swipe left ka, swipe right ka. Kung ganahan ka sa tawo na ako pa ni mo, day. Sus, na, pagminyo na, gid kay pila na yung edad. Da, are you a mamasang tita, sis? Number 2. Ang imong tito. Di ara akong paborito nga pag-umangkon. Alisa ko din, sus dalaginding naman yung taong kay ka. Uy, asa naman tayo mong uyab nga ako nakita na itong niaging si Mana. Tarungon lang dyan kaniya. Kung di kaniya tarungon, isumbong ni tito ka. Ako'y bahala to, kulatahon ka na ako. Di, storya taon niya kay. Video key na si mong tito, paborito nga kanta. I did it my way. Da, are you ever tito seized? Number 3, imong Phil-am cousin. Hey cuz, how's it going? I mean, like, I haven't seen you in forever, you know? You wanna see my tattoo? It's the sun from the Philippine flag. I placed it in between my boobs so that it's close to my heart, you know? Malaya, am I speaking too fast? I mean, like, I can't speak Bisaya, but gamay lang. Pero, kasabot ko. Duh. Are you an cousin seized? Number 4, the anti-Christmas emo cousin. Christmas is created by big companies for us to spend our money on things that we don't need and to impress the people we don't care about. Upanin you smoke herbs and then get woke. Is that ang pao? Thank you. Duh. Are you an emo seized? Number 5, imong successful cousin. Uy, cuz, Merry Christmas! Pero uy, mangutan ako ba? Pila nag-iedad ni mo, cuz? 22. O you know what, mo chika lang ko ha. I had my first million when I was 22 years old. Karon 23 na ko, I was able to buy my own condo, di ba? Kung open-minded lang jud ka. I will share with you my secret. This is my earnings for just this week. Oh my God, 600,000 pesos. Dili gid ka dapat mahadlok mo invest. Kitsa may tao nga dili ganahan mag-successful. Nara ginas pagpaningkamot sa tao. Sugot di ka nga empleyado ra ka pirmi. Ikaw nara na nimo basta ako ni share lang ko wala ni pugsanay. Za. Are you a downline sis? Maningkamot jud ta sis. Uy guys, chill lang mo ha. Christmas Ron. You can't get mad at me because it's true. Tag your family, friends, and relatives and tell them, I can't wait to see you guys. Kung nakarelate mo sa video, please like and share. And remember to like the Buy TV page and my new fan page, that's Malaya Macaraeg. And follow me on my other social media accounts at Hi Malaya. Bye! Pasko na.
A day or two ago.
I'd like to thank Clothes Depot for my top. If you want to check them out on Instagram, follow them at Clothes Depot PH. Thank you!